Welcome back to the channel, Gearheads. Today, we're unleashing the ultimate fever dream, the V12-Powered Cybertruck. Ditch the electric hum for a roaring V12 symphony that turns this stainless steel icon into a combustion colossus. Picture the exterior, that unbreakable exoskeleton now amplified with flared fenders swallowing 20-inch forged alloys in sticky low-pro tires. The front fascia? Razor-sharp polygons with piercing LED headlights, massive air intakes gulping cool for the twin-turbo heart, and a lowered stance dropping an inch for road-hugging menace. Sides sweep low and long, carbon fiber accents on door sills and mirrors slashing weight, while the rear diffuser spits quad chrome tips, belting out bass-heavy exhaust that rumbles like thunder. At 6,800 pounds, its armored elegance meets apocalypse-ready brute, bulletproof, aerodynamic, and begging for burnouts. Slide inside, and the vault doors seal with a pressurized hiss, revealing a cockpit that's bunker-tough yet plush as a penthouse. Front buckets? Deeply bolstered Alcantara hides, multi-way power adjustable with heating, cooling, and need-away massage for long hauls. Grip the yoke wheel, now with knurled aluminum shift gates for that manual thrill, and face a 17-inch panoramic OLED dash, holographic gauges flickering boost and revs in real time. Rear seats fold flat for 6-footers, each with 12-inch infotainment screens for maps or movies, ambient LEDs pulsing drive mode colors from icy blue to inferno red. Vents hide in slats for whisper quiet flow, and the frunk devours 14 cubes of gear, while the lockable bed hauls 2,500 pounds under a motorized tonneau, powered outlets ready for your rig or rave. Voice AI. It banters back, plotting routes or roasting your playlist, rugged luxury, Tesla style. Now, the soul shaker, performance. A hybrid V12, twin turbos on a 6.0-liter mill mated to a 100 kilowatt-hours battery, unleashes 1,200 horses and 1,000 lb-ft, all four wheels clawing for grip. Floor it, 0 to 60 vanishes in 2.4 seconds, a truck blurring supercar lines. Top end? 160 miles per hour governed, but uncorked, it hunts 185 on straights. 6-speed gated box snaps shifts with mechanical poetry, torque vectoring AWD carves canyons, carbon ceramic scrub speed in 28 meters. Adaptive air suspension floats highways, then bites apexes, 18 miles per gallon hybrid sips, 35 electron-volts miles for silent stalks. It's not transport, it's domination. There it is, the V12 Cybertruck, exoskeletal fury, opulent innards, heart-pounding rush. Tesla, make it real. Team EV or V12? Comment below, like if combustion calls, subscribe for more mods. Stay revved.